this is Petra from Earthing Nederland. I'm going to show you how you can use the Earthing Multimeter. Well, you get a red cord, make sure that this pin is being removed, and then you put this one here, and this right part. Switching on to the installed Earthing Multimeter, you can see that you also got a green cord in your package together with a crocodile clamp. Make sure that it is properly connected to the earth in the grounded outlet. The crocodile clamp, you can fix it to this metal part in your grounded outlet. So, and then we're going to measure the EMFs in millivoltage. That's important because, so you can see that there is a number switching on, but this doesn't say anything unless I get this red pin in between my fingers. Make sure this is the metal part you touch. And then you can see that the number is 1.3, and with movement you make some electricity. So it will be a bit wobbly with the numbers, but you can see it's about 1.3. Now when you check your grounding product, if it's properly installed, and I'm going to sit on this grounding product, which is installed. I measure again, and you can see that it decreases with at least 95%. So now you know that you are properly grounded. If this doesn't work, if it doesn't go down to about 95%, then something might be wrong with the grounding of your outlet, or maybe if you are using the radiator tube, maybe there is something not right with your radiator, that it isn't really grounded. Maybe there are plastic tubes inside. So a lot can go wrong, but this is the way you should use your multimeter. Thank you so much for watching.